Karan, thank you very much. Where are you? Thank you for that very kind and slightly exaggerated introduction. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. I don't know if you all know, but I became an actor out of fear of failure, to be exact. Every instinct in my body said, this is going to be impossible. But I pushed through that impossibility, and out of that space, HRX was born out of the journey from hopelessness to inspiration. That was the transformation. Born to inspire the people who now face impossible challenges in their lives like I did. But I sit on the producer's chair with HRX Films with a completely different feeling. I sit solely and purely out of love. My irreplaceable, irrevocable, unconditional love for cinema. Here is where I truly feel the freedom, I truly feel the flight. And I could not have taken this flight if it was not for my brother Ishan Roshan, who truly is the wind beneath our wings and the force behind HRX Films. And thank you to the best partners ever. Here is where we begin at Prime Video. Thank you, Gaurav. Thank you, Nikhil. Thank you, Sahira. Thank you, Chetan. Of course, Nicole and the entire team at Prime Video. Thank you for believing in HRX Films. And let's do this. God bless. Thank you. There you are.
Wow, Ritik, sorry, I'm going to call you Ritik just because it's a formal function, but I always call you Dugu, but that might not be appropriate for today. Ritik, that was quite an entry. It really was. And thank you for actually entering the zone as a producer now. It truly actually warms my heart to see that happen.
Well, Karan, you have literally been the best producer I have worked with.
Oh.
You have any advice for a newbie producer like me?
So let's get some facts right. Okay, so you've grown up on film sets. You've learned filmmaking from your illustrious grandfather, Mr. Jayam Prakash, and your father, Mr. Rakesh Roshan, who is one of the most prolific filmmakers, producers, and directors. And then you were an AD for many years before you launched yourself into the biggest big screen debut there ever was. I think you've been training all your life to join this producers club, actually.
That's a lot to live up to. Thanks for reminding me. I can feel the burden now.
No, you don't have to. Don't worry. You'll be amazing at everything you do. But on a serious note, the first order of business as producer, why don't you please introduce all of us to the title?
Absolutely, with pleasure. So, as we all know, every transformation begins with a storm. Every new role begins with a storm, and that's where HRX Films also begins. I very proudly present to you our first venture with Prime Video, Storm. Can we have the sizzle, please?
So, Rajesh, I wanted to ask you something. Your command over this genre is fantastic. We all know that. Your past work has been so amazing. Can you tell us a little more about this movie and what can audiences expect from this one?
There's honestly only one rule worth putting onto anything when you're attempting comedy, which is basically if you're going to be funny, then make sure people laugh. Yeah, so I think the audience can pretty much expect to laugh till all the way. And as far as our collabs, well, here's the thing. Neither of these brothers are as serious as they look here, right? So pretty much all jam sessions end up devolving into one massive, goofball of tomfoolery. I'm very, very happy to tell you that pretty much everything has found its way into the film, and I think honestly, it's very liberating to have producer partners like that. So there you go.
Well, Ritik, both Storm and Mess are from such different worlds, actually. They totally are. How do you select what story you truly want to tell?
So this is partly the trick that Ishan uses on me. When he insisted that I watch this show called Tabbar, and my mind was blown. And then he insisted I meet Ajit Pal. And when I met Ajit Pal, I connected so deeply with his cinematic mind that I just knew that, yeah, I have to do something with this human being. I don't even care what it is. And we started chatting, and the storm emerged out of that conversation. And then there was this script called The Mess, which was lying on my shelf, and Ishan was like constantly, padho, 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 again and again and again. And I didn't know what to do with it until in the pandemic, I sat and I watched Loot Case. And finally, the dots connected. Because perhaps the only visionary who could justify that script, this straight-faced, crazy comedy, was Rajesh Krishnan. So apparently, at HRX Films, really, it's all about the director. And I'm really thankful for the pushing. Thank you, Ishu.
Well, we're grateful for the pushing as well, because now we have a messy storm really coming up. All right, ladies and gentlemen, may I please invite Gaurav Gandhi, Nikhil and Nicole to join us again for a quick photo op, please.